You are the connection between problems and solutions, assumptions and facts, people and possibilities. But problems are not solved by sitting at your desk alone. You need access to expertise you can rely on. You need information that supports your decisions. You need direction to know the next best step. You need to simplify and connect with industry leaders and best practices. You need access to information that supports your decisions, education that fuels your growth, and advocates who will work on your behalf. Because what we do together today will transform healthcare tomorrow.